Hey guys, it's Cality Plays and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing Bark. It's a horror game and yeah, hopefully it's going to be fun. Bark kind of just made me laugh just because the idea of my dog doesn't stop barking, as you probably have found it in my last 3 videos. But yeah, hopefully this is better than my dog. No joking, I do love my dog, but it does sound like this. Hello boy, we crouched onto him. Nope, we can just walk past him though. I don't get how this is going to be a horror game, but... Oh, my dog's barking now. Oh no. What's happening? Do you need to pick up his bowl first? Yeah, that makes more sense. Eat, interact. Where's the food then? Oh no, this is... No, go away dog. Go away. Can I go to bed? The way he's following me around. Oh please. No, we need to find this food. I have a feeling it's gonna be this. Eat, interact. Why is it not doing anything? You can't even throw it. Joking. I would never do such a thing. There we go. Eat the food. Good boy. Can we strike him? Good boy. Everything I said I didn't mean, guys. Don't worry. We're just playing a bit of games here. See? Cool. So this is just playing 5 Nights at Bark. Or also, I don't know where the food's... The food's up there. Go to the shop to buy dog food. Alright, stay there. Let's go get some dog food. Oh. Hello, Dave. How are you, mate? 3 M's and cat food. Should you just not get more than 1 box? Dog food, please. Oh, thanks, mate. You let us have it free. Hey, look at that. See, Dave's a great man. Seen him many videos. Seen him at his worst. Right. There you go. Good boy. Good night. Hasta la vista. No dance break. Let's go. Night 3. Feed the dog. Why is he not barking? Hello? Why is the dog not here? Find it. What the? What? Oh my. Why was it huge? What? I fed him. What did I do? Well guys, that was Bark. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in a future video.